Hey there! If you've been thinking about getting a new fitness tracker, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best fitness trackers that can help you stay motivated, track your health, and reach your goals with ease. Let's dive right in. Links to all products are in the description. Starting us off at number 5, the Whoop 5.0. If you want a fitness tracker that digs deeper into your health than ever before, Whoop 5.0 is the one to get. Unlike traditional trackers, it provides continuous monitoring of sleep, stress, heart health, and even advanced insights like VO2 max and blood pressure trends. With its heart screener ECG capability, you can keep tabs on potential risks like AFib. Membership unlocks personalized data that helps optimize recovery, performance, and daily energy. Lightweight, screen-free, and designed for comfort, Whoop keeps the focus on actionable health insights, so you can push your limits and improve long-term well-being every single day. At number 4, we have the Oura Ring 4. For those who prefer something discreet yet powerful, the Oura Ring 4 redefines fitness and wellness tracking. This titanium smart ring monitors over 30 biometrics including sleep, activity, stress, and heart health with unmatched accuracy. Its smart sensing technology adapts to your body, providing personalized insights 24/7. With up to 8 days of battery life, water resistance, and seamless integration with apps like Strava, Apple Health, and Google Health Connect, it's built for everyday life. Lightweight and stylish, it looks like jewelry but works like a powerhouse tracker, helping you improve recovery, balance stress, and live healthier, all without a screen. At number 3, it's the Fitbit Charge 6. The Fitbit Charge 6 is a sleek, easy-to-wear tracker that packs in serious fitness and health insights. With over 40 exercise modes, built-in GPS, real-time heart rate, tracking on compatible equipment, and daily readiness scores, it helps you train smarter, not harder. You'll love its advanced sleep tracking, stress management tools, and Google-powered features like Maps and Wallet for convenience on the go. Plus, you can even control YouTube music from your wrist. With a comfortable design and 6 months of Fitbit Premium included, the Charge 6 helps you build healthier habits while staying connected and motivated every day. Runner-up at number 2 is the Apple Watch Series 10. The Apple Watch Series 10 takes fitness tracking and wellness to the next level with its stunning, larger display, lighter design, and a host of powerful features. From ECG readings and sleep apnea detection to advanced workout metrics, it gives you insights that actually make a difference. Whether you're swimming, running, or training indoors, it's built to track it all. Plus, safety features like fall detection and crash detection add peace of mind. With faster charging, seamless compatibility with your Apple devices, and customizable bands and faces, it's more than just a fitness tracker. It's your all-in-one lifestyle companion. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. If you're looking for a fitness tracker that's as powerful as it is durable, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is your ultimate workout partner. Built with a titanium casing, dual frequency GPS, and 10 ATM water resistance, it's ready for any adventure. With advanced sleep coaching, running guidance, stress tracking, and real-time health insights, this watch keeps you in tune with your body. Plus, the new Energy Score, powered by Galaxy AI, helps you understand your wellness at a glance. And with the longest lasting battery yet, you can push your limits for days without worrying about recharging. And there you have it, the top 5 best fitness trackers available right now. Each one offers unique features to help you stay healthier, train smarter, and live better every day. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.